I'm here today to talk to you about one of my favorite products that Butterball makes. It is the turkey thigh roast, and it's pre-cooked. It's delicious, super easy to use. So I'm going to show you how it works. So when you get it, it's going to be frozen, and it comes in this package that it was pre-cooked in. And so what's wonderful about that is the juices are in there, and it keeps the thigh roast very tender and tasty with the seasonings in there. The next thing you're going to do after you receive it is you're going to want to thaw it, of course, before you use it. So I always put them on sheet pans. If you have more than one, you're going to separate them to give them a little bit of room to breathe. They need to thaw for about 48 hours. After they're thawed, you're going to want to place them into steam table pans, break them up into pieces. It's very easy to break them up just using gloved hands. You put it in the pan with the juices, and then you're going to cover it and heat it at 350 for about 60 to 80 minutes, depending on how long you're going to put it in there. And then again, like I said, you're going to want to bake it for on 350 for about 60 to 80 minutes until it reaches 165 degrees, and then you can store it at 140 degrees. And so I have pre-shredded this. This is after it comes out of the oven. I dig it out of the pan and then just go ahead and shred it. It's very easy to shred. It's a lot easier to shred when it's warm than when it's cold, although you can shred it when it's cold. But as you can see, it's super easy to just flake off here and start shredding.